Good morning, grade 1 students. How are you all? How are you all doing today? Good? Feeling nice? Feeling happy? Not sleepy? Wow, that's good. Isn't it a lovely day today? It's a new day. Every day you have a new day, you have a new life, right? So when you have everything, a new day, a new life in the morning, what do? Yes, you thank Allah. Did you thank Him? Yes, you should thank Allah for every new day because this is your new life. No one knows what happens next, right? So if you have given this life, you should be thankful. You should be thankful to your Allah, right? And I hope you must be doing that. Yes? All right. So which date is today? Today is the second day of week 21. 21st week we are on, and today is the second day of week 21st, right? Okay. Now, can you just recall what we did yesterday in the class? Yes, it was grammar part that we did was punctuating sentences. Correct. We did punctuating sentences that was related to the grammar part of yours. Now, today also we are going to do something related to grammar only. Okay. Now, what that thing is, I'm going to tell you. We are going to learn some words that have similar sound. What do they have? They have similar sound. So similar sound words we are going to learn today. That is the spellings, how these words are spelled, how these words sound. Got my point? Now, first to start up, to make you a little warm, I'm going to show you a picture. Now you are going to look at that picture and you are going to tell me the names of the things that you have seen in that picture. Are you all ready? Okay, there you go. Okay, can you all see my screen, class? That's great. Now what is this picture actually? What are these things? These are, the first you can see is, this one is cherry, chips, chocolate, correct. What is this? Cheese, correct. What is this? A chair, correct. What is this? A church, correct. What is this? A box of coins, correct. What is this? It's a chick, correct. Now what is this? It's a chain. So what type of words are these? Cherry, chips, chocolate, cheese, chair, church, chick. These are cheer words. Well done, class. Very good. They have all the words which starts with cheer. C-H, cheer, right? Chips, you can see C-H-I-P-S, chips, chocolate, cheese. They all have the same cheer sound. Yes? Well done. Very good. Now let's move on to another picture. Now, can you name the things here? What is this? It's a shoe. It's a shell. It's a, you can say, trash. It's a shirt. Now, it's a washing, actually washing. He's doing like this, so he is washing. Okay, what is this? These are fish. And this is shark, correct? Okay, this is, you can say, a spinach, or you can say, okay, just remove one first. Tree. No, sorry, this is a bush. This is a sheep. This is what you call, it's a ship. Here, these are two cars. They have crashed together. So you are going to say crash, right? So what sound comes to your mind when you are when you are saying all these words like shoe, shell, trash, shirt, washing, chain, then ship, shark, fish, shark, sheep, bush. Yes, they are sure words. Now in shoe, you will say S-H-O-E, shoe, S-H-E-L-L, shell, trash. Now in these two pictures, shoe and shell, the S-H, the sh sound comes first. Very good. Whereas in trash, in you can say bush, sh sound comes at the end, yet they have the same sound, right? Ship, bush, they are all sh sound. So all these words are sh sound words. And the before these words, the picture that I showed you was of ch sound. So all these words, the pictures were different, the words were different, the spellings were different, yet their sounds were the same. In the same way, we are going to do some other sound words. I'm going to show you a bunch of words, right? And you are going to tell me the sound of those words first, and then you have to find out which word is similar, which word have the similar sound. You got my point? Okay. Are you all ready, class? Very good. All right. Now, there you go. Can you see my flower of words? Great. Okay. Now, the first word here is broom. Come on, read with me. Broom. Very good. Then, music. Cube. Juice. Argue. Moon. Here, spoon. Here, tooth. Here, flute. Here, fruit. Here, zoo. Here, new. Here, glue. And here, stew. Now these words, there are different words over here, and some of these words, they might have the same sound. Now you have to pick the same sound words from here. Okay? Now, what are the same sound words? Now first, we are going to write down the word broom here. B-R-O-O-M. Now, what is the word that have the same sound? Broom. Then here we can say tooth and spoon. Now, what do they have? They have the same sound like tooth, spoon, spoon, broom. And what is that sound? That sound is of which two letters? Correct. It's about double O. Double O sound. Tooth, broom, spoon. You got my point? Great. Now, in the same way, we move on to next. Next is, you can say new. K-N-E-W. Now, what is which word is there is over here which have the same sound? New. You can say stew, correct. S-T-E-W. So which two words are over here are common? E-W, very good. E-W here, E-W here. Great job, correct. Okay, now let's move. Fruit, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Then juice, J-U-I-C-E. So which two letters are common over here? Yes, U-I. U-I here and U-I over here. Now one word over here is missing, which is again, you have missed out. Yes, that is zoo, Z-O-O, zoo. Now, let's move on. After this, we have glue, G-L-U-E. 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 Now, which other word have the same letter? Argue. Very good. A-R-G-U-E. Now, what are the two letters that they have in common? U-E. Very good. U-E here and U-E here. Very good. Now, comes the next word is flute. F-L-U-T-E. F-L-U-T-E. Which other word have the same two letters like flute and they have the same sound? Flute, and you can say cube. Very good. C-U-B-E. Now, over here you can say the two words which have letters that have same sound are written a little differently. Like you can say F-L-U-T and E. F-C-U-B and E. U and E are written with another letter. Over here you can say they are all written together. Like broom, double O, over here is written together, here is written together. EW are written together. Over here UI are written together, UE are written together, but here U and with a gap you can say E are written separately. So you have seen the words, they have the same sound, they have the same letters, so their sounds are the same. Now let's read one more time together. Broom, zoo, tooth, spoon, they all have double O. Now, new, stew, fruit, juice, glue, argue, flute, and cube. Got my point? So we were supposed to learn today these letter words, double O words, EW words, UIW words, UEW words, and U-E words, right? So I hope you have understood up till now whatever we have done, that what are the sound words and how they are spelled and how their sounds makes them similar to some other words, right? Now, I want you to open your page number 94 of your pupils book. Okay, now this page over here. All right, now I'm going to read it out for you and then explain. The letter patterns double O, U, E, and EW often make the same sound. Now, as they have given the example, as Ada grew bigger, she needed new boots. Mom took her to Sue's shop to buy some big blue ones. So you can see the same sound. Now, what you are going to do is you have to write down the double O, U, E, and EW words over here. They have given the pictures and they have written the words also. So I'm going to read out the words and I'm going to ask you whether you know the meanings or not. Now the first word is boots, moon, you know the meaning, spoon, flute, you know the meaning, balloon, glue, blue, shoot, and screw. You know the meanings? Correct. Now there is a new word which is written shoot. C-H-U-T. Now the words which they have written, the word which they have written here is a new word for you. It's C-H-U-T-E. How it is pronounced? Shoot. How? Shoot. Shoot. No, not shoot. Shoot. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of shoot actually is, shoot is a framework upon or through which objects are made to slide down from higher to lower level. It is a framework through which the objects are made to slide down. They slide down from higher to lower. Now I'm going to show you a picture of shoot so that it's going to be clear to you all. Okay, there you go. Can you see my screen? You can see here, this is a rubbish chute through which the rubbish from the buildings, they go from higher level to lower level. This yellow part is the chute over here. You got my point? It's an object actually, it's a thing. Now over here, it is a rubble chute. Again, this is a rubble chute from which the objects travel from up higher level to lower level. Okay? So I hope chute meaning is clear to you all. Now, I want you all to do part A and part B. Part A, I have explained you. Part B is which word in the box are not used in activity A. You have to mention that word and you have to draw the picture. Now, it is slightly a little more task for you. So for that, I'm going to give you 12 minutes and your time starts now. All right, time is up, class. Let's check out what you have done. Now, what is the first picture about? Flute, correct. The second, moon, correct. The third, screw, correct. The fourth, boots, correct. The fifth, blue, correct. And sixth, glue. Okay, now this is done. Now, what are the words which are not used over here? You have drawn the pictures? Great. The first word is balloon. Very good. Balloon is not used. And the second word is spoon. Very good. Spoon is also not used. And the third one, chute. Have you drawn the picture? Show me. Wow. We have drawn very good chute over there. So that means the words that sound same, which have the similar meaning, a different meaning, it's clear to you all. How do we spell the words? How they sound the words is clear to you all. Isn't it so? Great job. Now I want you all to don't forget to do check the portal. I'll be posting your homework on the portal. Do it yourself. But if in case you find it difficult, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. Now see you in your science lesson. Bye.